Picture it, you find yourself stranded on what you think is a deserted island, only to come to find out that it's inhabited by a tribe of super spicy senoritas that are dying for a man. Except they don't want a man with a dad bod. There's no gym on the island. What are you gonna do? You gonna develop man boobs and love handles, or are you going to do the 5 exercises that I'm gonna talk about in today's video? Gentlemen, here's the deal. What? It could happen. Today, I'm breaking this video up into 2 parts. Part number 1, I'm gonna go over the 5 best exercises to build the best body you possibly can if you find yourself on a deserted island or you don't have access to a gym. The second part, I'm gonna go over the 5 best exercises that you can do to build a jacked looking physique if you do have access to a gym. Because if I'm being honest, your body is gonna reach a certain potential doing body weight exercises like push-ups and things like that, which we're gonna talk about. But in order to really push past the body weight exercise sort of composition, you've really got to lift heavier weights, because the way that it works in terms of muscle building, you lift weights, you increase the weight, it tears down muscle fiber, you rebuild it bigger and stronger. You're going to do it again and again and again and again and again and again and again since the age of fucking 12, and I still look like this because I'm natty. But that's cool, because looking natty at 50 and being good in terms of your body is better than being juiced up when you're 22 and looking like shit when you're 30. If you're with me, gentlemen, drop me one of these and let's get down to business. The first exercise, if I was on a deserted island, no gym required, is gonna be push-ups, all right? Why push-ups? Because push-ups are the best exercise ever. There's no better pec building exercise, in my opinion, than push-ups. All right, push-ups are amazing because you can do them 6,000 different ways, right? Different hand positions. You can even grab something like a bench or a chair or a couch or whatever to put your feet up. Or if you're a beginner and you're not really that strong, you can do them right here. Look at that, bang it out, right? You don't need any special equipment. You can also, boom, feet up, right? Make it more challenging. There's so many different variations and ways to do push-ups. Push-ups are amazing because they work a ton of different muscles. They work your pecs, of course, but they also work your shoulders, they work your triceps, they even work your core and your stabilizing muscles. They are amazing. The second exercise is also amazing. All right, now this one is a little more challenging, and it is the body weight dips. If I had only, like I said, 5 exercises, body weight dips would definitely be one of them. Now, here's the deal. How do you do body weight dips if you don't have a body weight dip rack or machine? You know, you could get 2 different chairs and place them opposite and do them like that. If it was me and I was working out at home, I didn't have access to a gym, I would buy for a few $100s some type of dip, ab, pull-up machine, or not even a machine, it's like a rack. You can get them literally for $200 at Walmart. It's gonna have a place to do dips. You can even do leg lifts and then pull-ups. The second exercise that I would do on a deserted island, I would find 2 palm trees that had branches close enough, and I would be banging out body weight dips, all right? I love body weight dips so incredibly much. In my opinion, they're probably, for me, my favorite chest exercise. All right, you get an incredible stretch. You can change the position of your elbows to work different things. You can focus on your shoulders, you can focus on your triceps, your pecs. And that's one of the other beautiful things about doing some of these body weight exercises. It works more than just one muscle. One of the problems with working out on machines is that when you lock into those machines, right, you are focusing on one muscle primarily. The beautiful thing about doing body weight exercise is that you work all sorts of muscles. And so the dips work, once again, your pecs incredibly well, your shoulders and your tris, all right? The next exercise, number 3, is gonna be pull-ups, all right? I would find some palm tree on that deserted island and do pull-ups. Now, if you don't have a rack like this, you can go, once again, on Amazon and grab some type of pull-up bar that basically attaches to the doorway. They're super affordable. And in my opinion, there is no better bang for your back buck than pull-ups. It's gonna work your back, it's gonna work your biceps, it's gonna work your rear delts. It is an incredible exercise to really build that wide, sexy, amazing physique. Bodyweight pull-ups are one of the hardest, most challenging exercises out there. Most people aren't able to do a single pull-up. If you're somebody that is struggling, you're just getting into shape, what I recommend is get some type of big rubber band like this. All right, what you can actually do is, use them to actually kind of create an assisted pull-up for yourself, right? You can put your knees in, you can put your feet in, right? And what's gonna happen is it's gonna make the pull-ups a lot easier for you to do, all right? They sell different weight, smack myself in the face. They sell different like weight or tension bands, and these things are incredible for really helping you do the pull-ups until you get good enough in order to do them by yourself. Number 4, you knew it was coming, baby. Squats. Bodyweight squats are incredible in terms of really working the quads, the glutes, the hams, the calves, and even those stabilizing muscles, right? There's so many different variations and ways to do this to make it more difficult or easier. If you're new to working out, right, you can always hold on to something like a counter or a chair in order to basically get better at it, or you can even make it more challenging. If you do have some type of dumbbells at home, a lot of people will have some dumbbells, you can use these in order to make these more challenging. Another option is the lunge, right? Whether or not it's stationary or walking, there are a lot of leg exercises that you can do with a simple pair of dumbbells right on that deserted island. And the 5th exercise I would do if I was on that deserted island is something for the abs, because come on now, right? Some simple leg lifts or crunches. Once again, so many different incredible variations to really work and target those abs. You don't need a special equipment, you don't need even really a mat. You can do it on a chair, you can do it on the couch, you can do it on the floor, all right? If you feel any issue in your lower back, I definitely would modify it. There are a lot of different ways and videos you could watch on YouTube that will show you different variations depending on whatever limitation you may have. But if I was stuck on a deserted island and I didn't want a dad bod, those are the 5 exercises I would do. I would do push-ups, I would do dips, pull-ups, squats, and abs. Total body. Literally, you just worked your entire body. Your buys, your tries, your shoulders, your abs, your back, your glutes, your legs, and your abs. All right, now, let's say you do have a gym. 5 best exercises to build a badass jacked physique. Number 1 is some type of chest press. All right, now, I'm not gonna say that one is better than the other. I would say that whatever you love, whatever you're gonna consistently do, is gonna be the best, whether or not it's a flat bench press or dumbbell press or incline press, dumbbell incline press, a lot of different options and variations for you. The press is, in my opinion, one of the best exercises you can do to really build an incredibly masculine structured chest, all right? The second exercise is still dips, all right? Seriously, if I was doing a few exercises to really get the most bang for my buck out of my body and my limited time, I would be doing dips. Dips are always gonna be a staple for my chest workouts, whether or not I'm at home or I'm at the gym. It works so much. You get so much activation and stimulation, and you can make it harder. If you wanna make the bodyweight dip harder, just get a dumbbell, hold it in your feet. Check it out. Get a dumbbell. I'm gonna be using a 25-pound dumbbell, all right? I'm gonna set it right there, and then I'm gonna get up here, and then I'm gonna just hold it in my feet, all right? I'm gonna bang out as many reps as I feel I can, 8, 10, 12, something like that, and then I'm gonna drop it and bang out another 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all right? It's a great way to be able to do a weighted dip without actually using a belt with a chain and a big plate. Number 3 is squats. Squats suck. They're horrible. They're uncomfortable, they're painful, but they're amazing, all right? You get so much bodybuilding bang for your buck from squats. There's also a bunch of research that shows when you lift heavy shit, squats, it basically like increases the amount of testosterone your body is actually willing to get rid of. It's incredible. It increases growth hormone, all sorts of things, right? Squats are amazing. It works pretty much like every muscle group, but really focusing on the lower body and your core, your stabilizing muscles, all right? Bottom line, if you're not doing squats, you're missing out, all right? This would be my 3rd exercise. Number 4, pull-ups. Again, gentlemen, pull-ups are also gonna make my list because of A, how hard they are, B, how effective they are, and C, the fact that they work so many muscles, directly and indirectly, all right? Once again, we're working our back, incredible, your biceps are getting pounded, and your delts are also getting an effective workout. All right, pull-ups for me, if I only had 5 exercises, it would definitely make the list. And last, but certainly not least, is some type of shoulder press, all right? Whether or not it's a standing barbell or a seated dumbbell, I really feel like the shoulder press is an incredibly effective and powerful move. Once again, it's gonna work your shoulders directly, it's gonna work your triceps directly-ish, indirectly, and it's just an incredible workout to really build strong, massive, muscular shoulders. Because when you think about the muscles that really make a guy look jacked, there's specific ones, right? Strong chest, wide back, cap shoulders, including a strong, muscular lower body, right? Those are the things that are gonna make you look jacked and muscular. For me, these are the 5 that I would choose if I wanted to get the most bang for my buck in terms of making my body look big, strong, and muscular. They're gonna work a lot of muscles directly, indirectly, and I'm gonna get an incredible workout that's total body. All right, now sure, don't get me wrong, I love doing bicep curls, right? Curls for girls, but I only had to pick 5. And so bicep curls weren't on the list. All right, pull-ups, you can change your hand position and you can even do them like that, right? It's gonna work your biceps a little bit differently. There's so many different ways to do each of these exercises that we talked about, but for me, these are the 5, whether or not I'm at the gym or on a spicy island of senoritas that are just ravenous and getting ready to get their paws on your ass, gentlemen. But the bottom line is you can't be soft and doughy like your dad. You gotta be sexy, gentlemen. Those 5 exercises will keep you sexy while they search for you. And you're like, whoa, search for me? I don't want to leave an island with spicy senoritas. No, it's just me and them. Are you kidding me? I'm staying.